मला समजत नाही ना म्हणून तो बोलतो वाचत नाही काय दिलं. आवाज नाही येतो.
येतोय ईशान, येतोय तुझा आवाज.
ओके सर, ओके ओके.
तर मागच्या वेळेला काय झालंय आपलं? Can anybody? Yeah, Hardesh, you're mute. Unmute करा. Yes. Can anybody tell me what has happened last time? Shri Kirtan, you were there last time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So where we stopped?
Sir, we stopped at check. Sir, we finished checkmate.
Right. Very good. And so we have finished checkmate. We finished pins also and forks also?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, Daria.
Good afternoon, sir.
Anushka, Hartej, have we finished pins and forks? Understood pins and forks? Both. What are pins and what are forks?
No, sir.
No. Shri Kirtan was already knowing this, perhaps that is why he said yes. Yeah, Manisha is there. Manisha, we have not done pins and forks. No, both. We have done only checkmates. All checkmates done. Manisha?
Sir, we haven't done pins and forks.
We haven't done, no?
No, sir.
Today we will start with pins and forks.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Manisha.
Hello.
Yes, Manisha.
Yeah. We were looking at that miniature game last time.
Acha. We started that game looking at.
Hello.
Yeah, we started that game. Yeah, game. That is in 1614, 2 people played, and I was showing you that, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Fine. So today I will summarize first what we have done so far. We have done all checkmate problems. We have done 1 rook and 2 rook checkmates. We know castling. What is active, inactive, and then yeah, this much we have done. So what is to be?
And what is active and inactive?
What?
What you told now, inactive and active?
Active and inactive. Active and inactive means pieces active and inactive. When our pieces are participating in the war in chess, they are in the middle of the board and they are not at their own original place. That means they are active. They are what they are doing. They are actually they are attacking any other pieces or defending their pieces. So there are such pieces are called as active pieces, and those pieces who are only sitting on their original position or in the side of the board, to the border of the board they are sitting, not controlling any squares on the board, main square, basically center. Such pieces are called as inactive pieces. Okay, I will share.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will share the board first. Okay. Now, before we start, let me tell you what is our plan for this week or next week. I will write down. All of you also write down that, or only Manisha can write down. We are going to.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to finish that game first, which we started that game played in 1614.
14.
Yeah, okay. That we are going to finish. Then we are going to learn about pins and forks. All
What is that?
pin,
Pins.
pin, P-I-N, pin.
Maybe your voice is breaking.
We are going to learn pin,
Yeah, I got it.
pins and forks, F-O-R-K, forks. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
we are going to learn about opening, because I have explained that chess is divided into three parts basically. First is opening, middle game, and end game. So opening, how the opening should be done, what are the strategies for the opening? Opening strategies we are going to learn in this week and next week. So what and why? What openings are there and why they are done, that we are going to learn. And one more thing, Tejas has asked me the question because he is failing in the middle game. He knows opening, how to open and all everything. And in the middle game, he is failing. So the answer to Tejas' question, what is to be done after that? That question actually says that what is to be done after 5 moves or 7 moves or 8 moves. So little bit I will touch that subject while explaining in this week and next week. Okay, so this will be our plan. First, let me go to our game.
Hello.
Yeah,
That will be the middle game point or what?
yeah, that will be a sort of middle game, not exactly middle game.
Okay.
There are 3 questions basically, 3 or 4 questions you have to ask all the time when you start playing chess. For every move you have to ask those questions to you. And the answer of that question will give you the broad guideline what to play and what not to play. Okay. Now taking the decision, there might be 2-3 different options to you available. That means answers to you. So it depends on everybody who chooses which particular option. Okay. So that first let us go to that game. We have started that game, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this was the first move played. This was the reply. Then second move played. This was the reply, attacking this pawn. Now how to support this pawn we have discussed. So many supports are there. This support is there, or this support is there, 2. This support is there, 3. That is saving that. Supporting means it's saving of that pawn. Then this support is there, 4. Then this here or here or here. All are supports to the pawn. Then you can move this pawn and save this pawn. That means blocking. Sorry, blocking this, and then just simply moving ahead and not in this particular line. So you are saving this pawn. We have done this. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And that person has played this. He saved with this. Now what could be next move from the black? We stopped over here. The next, actually, what black should have done is that now there is one attack on this and one support. So simple way is another attack. And not only this attack, you are trying to catch up the center also. So opening in the center is very essential. So this move should have been there. Correct move. If this pawn kills, you can kill with bishop or you can kill with queen also. Okay. And if this pawn doesn't kill, then you can kill with this. There is another attack. So 2 attacks are there and only one support. So
Why is this story and this book?
support this again, this way or this way, any other way. What black has done is this. Now think, everybody think about this move. Everybody, why? Why this move? And why not this move? As I said, always and always there are mistakes done, and because of the mistakes only you win. Because of opponent's mistake, you win. Somebody has to make mistake. You don't know whether this is mistake or good thing, but you have to find out why he has moved this.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
What?
the white will kill the black, then that horse, one pawn will go up, and then he can also kill.
I didn't get it. White will take this pawn, then what black will do? Because this pawn is not, black pawn is not having any kind of support. And
Sir,
still,
it is in second chance.
second chance. Okay, okay. But here, this is, we call it as a sacrifice, giving something. And why the sacrifice is done? To gain something. The inner motive, real motive behind the sacrifice is to get something. So this is the bet. I would say BAIT, bet. Bet means to lure him to take something, and in turn we get something. So this is black's plan is, if this goes here and attacks, the attack will be now here. And then straight away black gets rook. So giving one pawn and getting full diagonal and then rook, that is the black's pawn, black's attack.
But that's a very long play. Immediately it is not happening.
Yeah, immediately it is not happening, but that is what they play. The idea is that, see, I will show you how the idea goes. Here, the real planning is this and getting the center, that's all. But here, black is ignoring the rule. What is the rule? You control the center. So overall on this position also, more control is from white and not black. So black will be severely punished. If you ignore the rule, you will be punished. So I'm sorry. It's not black thought that black will get this pawn and then rook. Now about white, what white will do? Whether white will take this and give this or not. That is what you have to think from white side. What white will do? White will take and give this, or white will support. There are many ways you have seen the support. Or white will do this also. Now if this kills, you can kill. So again there are two supports to this. So this is one possibility you can save. Somebody please. What you will do if you are white?
Sir,
Yes.
on from F2 to F3.
Yeah. Avni says Avni will support this. Fine, fine, Avni. Good one. Not bad at all. Anybody else? Tejas?
Queen to F5.
Sir, knight to b3, c3.
Knight to c3. Okay. Giving support. Okay.
Sir,
Somebody said this. Giving check.
Yes, sir.
Here, the main rule of chess, do not open unnecessary this and allow queen to land over here. Giving check is a big thing. Direct attack on the king, and not only king, attack on this. This particular diagonal is very dangerous, and this square is also very dangerous. So here, this should have been over here first. Then only you can open. Otherwise, this will come over here. I will show you this kind of openings also. I will show you. Just if the subject has broached, then I will show you what such things are there. When you play this, opponent plays this, and you play this. That means here white is opening this side, and this can come. Okay, but if this comes, there is a clear safeguard. Now queen cannot kill this. Queen has to go back, and this gets this, or even it goes up also. This is how it is done. And if this takes this, now immediate, this is very important, so that queen will not be able to come over here and give check. This is a sort of opening which will come again when I teach you this opening. This is a king's gambit accepted. The name of the opening is. But this similar situation is happening in our game, but it is on the reverse side. For the black, it is happening. Okay, it is going over there and attacking. So what white should give? Somebody said this. Now this will come, and then this has to retreat back anywhere here, anywhere, basically safety. That's all. So this move over here as of now is bad. You are moving.
The queen can also go in h3 from there.
Yeah, queen can go anywhere. But the thing is that if you give the check now, this pawn will come for defending and nothing happens. Then your queen is attacked. You have to move your queen again, and your development gets hampered. It goes back. Development, one move back. And then black gets a chance. See, black gets immediate this chance. Attacking this. Then black gets this chance. And then black's development is beautiful then. Understand? So don't,
Okay, sir.
don't give the chance. So what you will play? Okay, I will give the answer. Here, that person in 1614, he played this deliberately. He played this deliberately, giving this. Now it is a time for white to sacrifice this pawn. And why is? Because now you think that if you come over here and this pawn comes, you can kill this. You don't have to move queen again. So that is the idea. Even if this takes, and if he doesn't take, and if he comes over here, you can protect again. So you get one pawn free. Have you understood? If black takes the pawn, you can go and give check. And if black doesn't take the pawn, then you can go on developing. So that idea was in the white's mind, and white took this pawn. Now, for black, correct move was this. Not allow this queen to come over here. 101% only this move is correct. No other move is expected over here. No other move. One possibility is this also. You can safeguard this, because now this queen cannot capture this because there is a support. So that one option is there, but this is much better. This is much better. Okay. Now black ignored this queen attack and black played this. Why? You have to tell me why black chose this. There must be certain calculation black must have done.
Yes, madam. So here are go मेरे को पता नहीं.
So what that calculation?
Yes, I believe.
Sir, Because black wants to take root.
Very good.
Then go to
Take the rook. Fine. Very good.
The voice is not clear. The voice is not clear, please.
1 minute. 1 minute.
नहीं डाला तो if you can give us moratorium for I think July August के
Everybody, please.
Yes. Yes.
Please mute your microphone, and then those who want to, only one at a time. Now, is it clear to you? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, yes, sir.
So
I
black,
want to tell.
yeah, black's pawn plan is to take this rook, and what black must have thought. I am not going to move the pieces now. I am going to tell you, and you have to imagine this, because in chess your imagination should also be very good. I can tell you with the help of arrows and markings. So what black must have thought. Now, next move, this could be over here. Okay, if you check, then this will come over here. Then this pawn will kill this pawn. Then after killing this pawn, this will come over here. Think. Pawn moves ahead, giving check. That is called discovered check. Okay, here is a white pawn. White pawn moves, then gives check. If this check is there, knight is over here. Knight will capture the queen over here, and this pawn will capture rook and promote that pawn to queen. So here queen is lost and queen is gained. But in this process, white is gaining this pawn. One pawn already gained, then one rook also. And what black gets? Black gets one pawn, because this pawn is promoted. That means this pawn, 2 pawns, and black also gets this, because afterwards black will take this. After the promotion, black will take this. So both are equal. This is what black thought. I'm purposely showing this way only because you have to be used to this kind of things. You have to imagine. If any difficulty is here to understand, please tell me so. You understood what I explained?
Yes.
It is the thinking of what black. What I explained is black's thinking, and that is why black played this. Now let us move to white. What white will do? See, white has got, I will show you what are the chances. One is this. Now here it is attacking this, and if this takes rook, this can take rook, bishop back and attacking this. This is one option. That means ये अगर जा रहा है आपका तो ये भी मिलना चाहिए कम से कम. One option. Second option is usual, give check. Third option is take this over here. But this is not a bad, this is not a good option, because this kills and you don't get back this bishop. So third option is really bad. So what option you will choose? 1, 2 or 3? I want answer from all of you. One by one. Tejas, what you will choose?
Sir, I will choose the check.
Check. Okay. Manisha, what you will choose?
The check is the best option.
Anushka, what you will choose?
Bishop.
Bishop.
White.
Yeah, fine. Shan, what you will choose?
Check. Check.
Okay, Avani.
Sir, bishop e4.
Fine. Shri Kirtan,
Yes, sir.
what you will choose?
Yes, sir.
What you will choose? Come on. Shri,
Sir, I'll take the king one step ahead.
you will take the king one step ahead.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Kanushka,
Check.
check. Arit. Arit is a new student who joined. He is a son of my very good friend, Mr. Amit Dashmana. He is very good TT coach also. Yes, Arit.
I will choose check.
Choose check. Okay, Dhairya,
Sir, check.
check. Arav,
Yes.
what you will choose?
I will go for check.
Hans,
The one with the bishop. I will use the bishop.
see why I am asking everybody now, because here I come to know how your mind operates. Okay, so I can judge you how you think. Fine. Let us find out what they have played. Okay, what White have played in that game. White played this, totally ignoring this. Okay, because now you have to write this. Whenever you can give check, you please continue to give check, because you, even though you don't go in disadvantage, sorry, you don't get the advantage, you don't go in disadvantage also. At least the position becomes little clear or little balanced remain. So give check, you will get something. At least time to nikalta hai. You have got a clock also. So giving check means using your time. Utna one move happens. You have to complete 20 moves in 1 hour or 40 moves in 2 hours. So thoda time nikal jata hai and you can come back. Nothing happens. So check is very useful. Here there is a different game plan altogether. So that is why the check was given. Now here I am not going to ask you what black played, because there is only one move for black. No other move. Only one move. This move is only which will save the king. Okay. So black played this. Now again it is white's turn. Now here it is very clear that white has 1 and 2 attack. If white takes with this and black takes with this, you can take this also, and you can take this pawn and give checkmate directly. There is a possibility of checkmate now. You take pawn, and then if this pawn takes, you can, queen can take the pawn back and give check and mate. Simple. So anybody will go here with this. No need to think twice. If the session discontinues, please log in again. Okay. Now here, what would be black's move? Forced move. Now, as you can see here, if this pawn goes over here, there is a check and mate. So who is giving check? Queen. So better to attack queen. So here also black will not take this, and black will do this first. This goes and this takes. Simple. Then white pawn takes this. Again queen becomes live, and your bishop also takes this. It becomes equal. So that is the overall what black thought and game was moving ahead with the same direction. Till now it is okay to you? You have understood the game till now? Now the question is what white will play. Whether white will go ahead or white will play something different. Think. Think carefully. This is the most vital move of entire game.
Sir, what?
What would be white's move in this position?
Okay, sir.
If you are playing white, what you would play? In other words,
Take the pawn move.
take.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
the white will move one more ahead.
Pawn. Bolo G7.
This, sir,
Pawn
Yeah,
G7.
this pawn. This over here. So check. And similarly, what we said, this goes over here and then it becomes queen and then you take this. Similarly, right? This is what you will do. Fine, absolutely okay. Anybody else and any other move?
Ishan.
Any other move? Yes, Ishan?
Sir, queen to E2.
Queen to E2. Okay. So coming back.
Hmm.
Rook is here. Fine. Queen comes over here. Then, okay, good move. I will explain this later. Let others say something.
Sir, pawn to H7.
Pawn to H7 is not possible. It is white's move. White pawn cannot go to H7. Acha, this pawn goes to H7. This way. This is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I will come to you this also. I will explain both. Next. Who said this? Pawn to H7. Who said this? Pawn takes pawn. Who said this? Who said this? Pawn takes pawn. Acha, Hartej. Good. Anybody else? Manisha, Shrikirtan, Tejas, Kavin.
Sir, bishop to E2.
Bishop to E2. Okay, giving support. So if this takes, okay, fine. But not very good here because you are losing queen and you are getting only knight. Okay, fine. So point also should be calculated. 99% points to be calculated. Only 1% are there where points are not calculated, and that is why chess is very good. Because of that 1%, chess has become the best game.
If the queen is taken to G5,
Yeah, good. Queen is taken to G5. Here, good
Yeah.
planning because
Yes.
attacking this, and also threatening
as
this.
well as
Yeah, threatening this
right.
and giving fork. Good. So now if pawn takes, you can take this also. Fine. That's
Yeah.
good. And if pawn takes pawn, you can take the pawn and give checkmate. So you are saving your queen and you are attacking this and you are attacking this also. So many attacks. So this could be a good move. A very good move. Yes, good. Anybody else? Anybody else? No. Then I will explain. What those people, yeah, somebody suggested this. Okay. But this is not so good because you are simply retreating and you are giving this. But here if black plays this, is good for black. But black cannot kill this because if black kills this, you can kill it and wait. There is a possibility of mate still.
Huh?
So this is again, black's king is actually inside his own pieces. Only one place for him to go. There is one more possibility, this. Threatening this over here and check and mate. Or there is one possibility, this also, but not good. So this is not good basically. So one of you suggested this. Who suggested Hartej? This is the best option. Now you will perhaps, you will say, Arey, what is best about this? This kills and you don't get anything back. No rook back, no pawn promotion. Again you are losing this. Then what is best about it? But still, that person in 1614 he played this only. Let us find out why. Next move is obvious because there is a check and king cannot move anywhere. This is the only option. Then white played this. It's mate. Check and mate. So these are forced moves. See, you will find that after 3rd or 4th move, all moves were forced on black. After black's this move, every move black played was forced. Forced means there was no option for black to play any other move. So clearly this was the blunder black played. Blunder means big mistake. In chess language, it is called as blunder. So this was the clear blunder. So this particular game, it is a 7-move game. This was recorded in 1614 by that Giacchino Greco in his book, first book in chess he published. He himself played for white. It was his game. The ideas are so developed even that time. Chess ideas. And ignorance of our chess rules. What chess rules? Simple chess rule says you capture, control center. Controlling center is most important. And if any of your piece is attacked, you save it. Do not allow your king to be attacked early. It was very earlier attack. Don't open up your king so early. Best is to open these 2 pawns opening is very good. Unless and until which I shown you direct opening from this pawn first and then knight coming over here. This is the opening. That is the only exception. That is a very good opening basically. I myself do that opening very often. King's Gambit. Everybody understood this game? Avni, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So while we played the game, we got many chess strategies. We understood many chess strategies. Okay, what to do and what not to do. So do's and don'ts. So every time I say something do's and don'ts, you have to note it down in your notebook. Okay. Let us move ahead and as decided, we will go for pins. We are going to learn for pins. So what are pins? Pin as a word suggests you. Yes.